Hold on. Oh, sorry about that. I played the video again. Producers, stop playing the videos again. Hey, but let's get ready to get rock and roll. Good to see you. Good morning, Michael. Good to see you, Chuck. See everybody. Good to see you all. Just a couple of things right here I want to bring up. So anyway, got a big rally going on Bitcoin. You know, like I told you yesterday, I was talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin was up yesterday and today. And remember, we are less than a week away from the election. All right. And, you know, we're going to talk about it. Okay. And they're saying it's a tie. Now it's leaning one way and it's leaning the other way. So there's a lot of stocks that you got to keep an eye on that are going to affect certain things that are going to happen due to what president's going to get in there. So very important. Yesterday, I told you, if you watch the Madison Square Garden with President Trump or not, but what was key there is when Elon Musk came in there and people didn't listen carefully, but the CEO of Cantor Fitzgerald was asking him, what do you think of Dogecoin? And he goes, and he really wanted to say too much, but you think it's going to go higher? I mean, listen, these guys are billionaires, the richest man in the world. What's happening? All these other stocks are doing great. So I told you this. I went long hood. I know Josh bought more Bitcoin over the weekend, so that's already at 71,000. That one's doing great. And their coin obviously making a big pop. You got the ETFs, IBT that's doing great, okay? Almost at all-time highs. There are a lot of good stocks that are moving pretty well. Not only that, but I was reading this morning, and listen, once again, don't take this personal, all right? But, you know, and like I said, I'm just reading what I'm seeing here. The world's most accurate economist makes bold prediction for the 2024 election. And he predicts that President Trump's going to win. And he said that they're going to have a clean sweep of Congress. Now, DJT is doing phenomenal. It literally just popped. I don't know if it was because of on that news, but we've been watching the last couple of days. We watched this stock go from $10, $15, and then Elon Musk backed him up. And then all of a sudden, the stock went from 33, went up to 40 yesterday, all-time high. And look, the stock is already at $55. It's up $18 right now this morning. And with that is the only thing is fund is not going up. So listen, fund made a big run up and so on. Now, I wish there was a stock that, you know, that Kamala Harris had or Biden had or something that they were in, because I really be curious to see how that market's going. You know what I mean? And see if and what stocks that will control those stocks that they're obviously are acting. But I'm not really seeing too much out there. I don't think the solar stocks really got affected too much. I don't really see military stocks. I see it taking a big hit. You know, they're saying that, you know, the Democrat Party is the party of, you know, of war. And, you know, if he does get elected, obviously he's not going to have that much war going on. And thank God I got out of Lockheed Martin. I mean, Lockheed Martin took a really big hit. And I know I got out of it on this day right here when it went from 318 down to oh no, is that right here? 308 down to 547. You know what's awesome? Don't you love getting out of stocks that go down? They're like, you know, you take a loss and you're like, damn, I hate taking the loss, but I really want to. And then all of a sudden the stock goes down. I'm like, oh, thank God I got out of the stock. You know what I mean? But I think I got out right around, I think it was like 604 or 2. I mean, I wanted to get up here, but I was like, you know, it was hovering there. I thought it was going to consolidate, but obviously it didn't. And you can see a stock took a big down. It's got a big support level here. I know we all own it. We all owned it here around 458 right here, this consolidation back in June, but we did pretty well on that one. But anyway, listen, you might like what you're going to hear. You might not like what you hear, but this is trading. We're all the same party. We have to train the same party because listen, remember what I told you, you know, in the past, if there's a company that, or a policy you don't like, and you're on the wrong side and you short it, you're going to get crushed. Okay. You know what? So listen, there's things that, but we don't want to destroy our accounts. We got to be careful because you can't take things personal when it comes to trading. If you do, you're going to lose. And it's not just a political thing. It's even a personal thing. They're like, oh, I love that store. You know, I spend so much money there. It's filing bankruptcy. Okay. Look what's happened to CVS. Look what's happened to Walgreens. Okay. You know, these stores, I mean, we love them. Some of you like, I buy everything there. We're older. We buy our medication there. But you know what? That's what it comes down to. Some of you are like, oh, I don't believe in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is, it's a scam, whatever it is. Short it, and let me know how that's working out for you now. Okay. And that's what it's all about. So anyway, let's go through the watch list because there are a lot of things that are going on. First of all, I want to remind everybody today we have our podcast I'm going to be doing at 11 o'clock. We're going to have AJ Brown on. So we're going to broadcast it live. So hopefully we'll see everybody in there. Make sure you're logged in. It's one of our big events that we do here. I know you had Traders Talk yesterday. We just posted a link up right there in the trading room. So if you're part of the trading room, there's the link. Rich, could you post that in the social media so everybody can watch it too, also over there? So we got that link right there too. So so everybody can get that registered. And like I said, we'll talk about some other stuff. My poor Yankees. By the way, I'm going to the Yankee game tonight. All right. So I asked me why. You know what? It's a World Series. But I was invited to go, and I'm looking forward to it. So let's see if the Yankees, how they do going on to tonight. But it's not really good when you're down by 3. All right. Hopefully I don't see the Dodgers win the World Series. That would be really awkward. Last time I went to the World Series, I saw the Yankees play the Marlins, and the Marlins won the World Series there. So it wasn't a really very happy place to be. But anyway, hopefully, and you know what? Hopefully there's a stock on it, right? Wait, isn't the Yankees trading public? Aren't the Yankees trading public? I thought they were a public company. Does anybody know the symbol? Rich, check and see if the stock, if the Yankees or have some, or the Dodgers have something linked to a stock. I thought they did, but that's something that we could look. All right. I'll let you know tonight, Mike, when I get there. Madison Square Garden is public. That's right. MSG is public. Leland. What's their symbol? It's not MSG, is it? I know that's right because because what happened with the Rangers, MSG is not really. That's not the symbol. I don't know what the symbol is on Madison Square Garden, but all I can tell you this is that I know people that went yesterday to Yankee Stadium. They said it was so packed. There was everything. And they were selling seats and selling standing room seats, just not even a seat. They were selling for $1,000. They were charging a fortune. So listen, they don't want the Yankees to win. They want the Yankees to win tonight. I can tell you that right now. They want the Yankees to win tonight, and they want them to win tomorrow, and they want the Yankees to win in Dodgers. They want to go to Game 7 because the MLB makes a fortune. They don't want them not to win. So they don't want them to win yet. They want the game to go on. They want Game 7. The amount of money that they're making at the stadium is just ridiculous. So as a fan, you don't want to hear that. But as an entrepreneur and business owner, they do. Anyway, let's go over some stocks that traded yesterday because we had a bunch of them that made a big run. Glue was phenomenal. Let me draw up the 2-day chart really quick. Sorry about that. So Glue was a great move yesterday. So we bought that from 6, went to 11. Another double, another 100% mover. PRCH, another great mover yesterday. Very inexpensive stock. Slow. Went from $1.40 up to about $2.40. Another nice stock. SCRV was another good stock that we traded. $10 to about $12. Chart looks a lot better than the stock. But, on how much it went up. But that was a nice little move. DGT, keep an eye on it. Remember when we taught you on onsite, the trend is your friend. Don't buck the trend. Stock was trading at the highs. Stock was moving at the highs. Look at this stock. Even though you thought you chased it yesterday at 45, look where it is right now. It's up $10 more from yesterday. Great move on that one. Soons. That one also very cheap stock, $5.40 to $6. Nice little move. SMR, nice little pop. Nuclear stock. I actually did a swing trade on that stock. So some of you remember I bought this stock yesterday. I think I owned around $20. Okay. I did a swing trade on that one, SMR, and I also did a swing trade on Hood. Okay. I think Hood, I own it right around here. 27. Yeah, I bought it right around here. You guys were listening in the trading room. It came back down, but it's up. I mean, at both those. So I did a couple of swing trades on that one. All right, let's go over and see what's going on this morning because there are a couple of good stocks. Okay, so we got DGT on it. DGT, right? And there's also the warrant, which is right here. DGT WW. All right. And non-brand name stocks, we got this one. It just made a big pop right here. BKYYI. It's got to bring the orders. Let me check that out. Got to get the date on that. Okay, nice little pop on this one. Big iceberg orders just got filled right here. Big green ball got filled. Cheap stock. Good volume. 149%. BKYYI. Sounds like Brooklyn, right? Lucy. You guys remember Lucy? We traded Lucy. Remember we traded Lucy back in May? It ran from $5 to $25. Is she in play? I don't know. Got to bring up the orders. But let's put Lucy on here. Lucy. We got Lucy. Alex on YouTube, it says, buy on rumors, sell on news. Well, the news is not out yet. You got 7 days for the news. So we'll see how that news works out. All right. But Lucy, but you're right. Because talking about that, it's the same thing about the hurricane stocks. We talk about the hurricane stocks. Buy on rumors, sell on news. Once a hurricane came in, we figured out how bad it was. You can see all those hurricane stocks, Home Depot, Lowe's, Generac, all those that we owned, we got out of them, okay? And it came back down. So literally on the penny. The stock has got resistance levels here around 1250. So you can see it right here. That hit that resistance in pre-market at 830. That's why it came back down. Stocks look a little volatile. This one's up about 60%. Cheap little stock. Trend is kind of flat, okay, in pre-market. LI. But you know what? Good volume, good trend, good everything. This one looks like a buyout. SHPH. Pharmaceutical stock, not really going anywhere. There's the warrant on the DJT. AREB. There's DJT. The regular stock, number 6 on the list. This one just did a big slingshot. Came back down. Don't know what that's all about. Safe Green Development. Must have been a big ice order out there. SGD. Let's go check out that one. Spread, 13%. Okay, it's got nice orders. I like it. This order right here, $6, 13,000, 9,003. Remember, that usually goes up by 5 to 10 times when the market opens up. So that one looks pretty good. All right, losers. What do you got? Ooh, looks like they didn't meet earnings. That stock got crushed. Crushed. All right, we're not going to be trading that stock, though. Too expensive. HLIT, H-Light. Going back down, not really good trend. Crocs looks like it's going lower. Those ugly shoes, obviously, was $150 stock. This could be a short. I like the trend. A lot better than this one right here. Because this one kind of came down, kind of slingshot up. I don't like that. A lot of earnings this week. All right. BA still not doing. Boeing not doing good. Pfizer looks like it made a little bit of a move right here. Still a dead stock right here. VFC, nice little push. Testing all-time highs. 21%. Not really a fan. Lithium, that one looks pretty good. LAC, once again, all these lithium stocks, nuclear stocks, they're all doing great. Losers, anything there? All right. So listen, before we go, a couple of quick announcements, okay? We got a decent list here, but I got a couple of things I want to bring up. First of all, what we got here? So Google is reporting earnings today, all right? Microsoft, Meta, Apple, Amazon following by the end of this week, all right? Job reports, basically key for inflation. They said Fed policy is going to hit. Oil took a big hit yesterday, so impact in the energy sector happened yesterday. But the big thing is watching and see if the Feds are going to cut rates. That's what we're really going to keep an eye on. Economists are still looking at it, if they're going to make a decision or not. But you know what? The market keeps going up. We had a nice little pop there. So we'll see how that works out. Oh, that's another one stock I went long. I jumped back into Amazon again. All right. Okay, traders, anything I'm missing I did not call out? Don't forget, traders, we got the podcast today, 11 o'clock, and open house at the on Thursday. All right, so don't forget that. So we got big events going on, and you got classes going on. So we'll see you there. Let's get ready for the market to open up. Sorry if went a little bit longer than usual. Just pretty excited. A lot of good stuff that's going on. A lot of good stocks are making some big moves. And remember, if you didn't get any of these stocks, always buy one share. All right. You got to be in it to win it. Good luck, everybody. We'll be back in 15 minutes before the market opens up. For everybody on social media, if you're watching this or recording, like us, friend us, ring the bell, take the phone, scan the QR code, join our trading room. Look forward to seeing you there. We're here all day from 7:30 in the morning to 4:30 in the afternoon, live in the trading room. Good luck. Trade safe, everybody. See you in a little bit. Don't go anywhere.